This might be a controversial topic today, but I wanted to have your thoughts on this. So as you can see, I'm wearing a Jalebiya. I bought this from the Abaya Mall in Mirdif the other day. And when I was paying for it, the guy at the counter said, "Where are you from?" And I said, "London," because, saying Kent is too difficult for people. So they say London. And then he said, "Oh," and I went, "Yeah, but I live here." And I was like, "Why am I justifying that I live here?" And he went, "So you're pretending to be local." I was like, "I'm not pretending to be local. I've lived here for 20 years, but I like wearing jalebiyas. I've bought jalebiyas and abayas from this mall and from other places for many years." But then it got me thinking, am I doing cultural appropriation by wearing these jalebiyas? I mean, look, it's beautiful. Isn't it really cool? And they're so comfortable. And you wear this and then you wear a abaya on top, and I have an amazing green abaya that I can wear on top for Ramadan, for iftars, and it will look amazing. And I was like, is it wrong for me to be wearing this? So I would love to have your thoughts, especially if you're local Arab from GCC region and you've seen Brit Asians or, Western people wearing jalebiyas and abayas. How do you take it? What do you think? Is it wrong? Is it right? I mean, I've taken the piss out of Brit Asians in the UK. I've gone home and I've seen them wearing it and trying to look cool. And I'm like, yeah, they're trying to be local. They're just failing. But then am I trying to be local? But I don't think I am. I like wearing them, and I have, immersed myself in the Emirati culture and the traditions. I do love it. I love living here. I've lived here for 20 years. And so I love knowing about the cultures and traditions and finding things out, especially when I work with my local clients. They tell me all these things, and it's fascinating, and it makes me so happy to find out these things. So I don't think I'm appropriating, but I would love to know what people think. What do you think? Is it wrong to wear these things from this culture, even if you live here and embrace the culture, or is it great? And, also, where else can you get really lovely jalebiyas? This one was 300 dirhams. Yeah, I know, it's not much. There are people that will go with their fabric, do the designs, do everything, and then not pick up their jalebiyas. So then these shops in the Abaya Mall, certain shops sell these jalebiyas for not much money. And obviously I haggled. I'm brown, we haggle. But, yeah, so I got it for not much money. I got 2 of them. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Wrong or right to be wearing this or wearing anything Arabic style-y, GCC style-y, if you're living here or even living out of the country? Is it wrong or right? I would love to know your thoughts, and yeah, let me know. Am I being too controversial today? Take care.